Do you want to elevate your chatbot game? This is crucial. Welcome back to another video on my channel, where today I will show you how to automate chatbots on make.com. Make is a website where you can connect your chatbots or other softwares to do certain tasks automatically. This is going to be a very fast-paced video, so take out your notes. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let's start bot building with automations. So within Botpress, we're just going to build a very simple chatbot. And I'm going to go over this real quickly. So firstly, I'm just adding a standard node. Going to have two different questions. A person name, asking what is your full name, and I am storing inside of username, create variable username, turn this off, adding a new card which is going to be a raw input card, and I'm adding what is your favorite movie, and I'm storing the result in UserMovie. So here we have the username and the UserMovie. So we have to add an execute code card, and if we go inside of this code section here, we can ask the AI to write a code. So I'm going to say to the AI, write a code that constructs a webhook which sends the following variables. So workflow.UserName and workflow.UserMovie. So here we have a code. You can find this inside of the video description, but just accept the changes and then close this. So now we have the execute code card finished, and we can just drag this towards the end. So if you're inside make.com, you can go into the left panel here and select scenarios, and then create a new scenario in the top right corner. Then we will press this plus button and add a trigger. So what will happen, or what will trigger the automation, and we can search for applications, and we will search for webhook. We scroll to the top and we select the webhook option, and we will have a custom webhook, and we can add a new hook, and we will name this test and save it. We have to press this button here to copy the address, and then we can press this purple button, and then we will go back to our Botpress, come inside of this execute code card and highlight this example of a webhook, and we will just paste the webhook that we got in and close. And now we have to start a conversation for make to redetermine the data structures of its input. So just start a conversation, and my full name is Cardi B, and my favorite movie is Men in Black 2. So now I have the conversation ended. So let's go into make again, and we can see that it says here it was successfully determined. So just press OK. So now we can add another module, and I am going to search for email, and I'm pressing email, and then I am send email to a team member to my email, and the subject is going to be so first name, shared information to Botpress, and the content is going to be name, and I'm adding the first name and then the last name and then movie. and I'm adding the UserMovie variable. I'm pressing OK. So you can do basically whatever I want. This is just what I showcased. So then we can come in here and press save, and then we can try to run this this automation once. So now we're pressing run once, so you can see it's loading here, and then it's good. So we're going to Botpress again, start a new conversation. My full name is once again Cardi B, and my favorite movie is Men in Black 2. So we see name Cardi B and movie Men in Black 2, and Cardi shared information to Botpress. So there we have it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out a ton. Make sure to like this video and feel free to join my Discord server where I teach you and can answer your questions. I will see you guys next week, and make sure that you have a great rest of your day. Until next time, take care.